Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer. What's up, y'all? I'm just waking up. I'm back with another vlog. Hi, Ari. She over there eating her breakfast. Ari. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Them eggs good? Her sickness? Her sickness? Her sickness? Well, I'm about to go get dressed and I'm gonna get back to y'all later. What, Ari? Sit. Hey, y'all, decided to start doing potty training today, so we're gonna see how that goes. Sit. No. Sit, Irie. What's up, y'all? I'm about to show y'all what I did for these stockings, because I did a poll on Instagram and that's the one that won. So I'm gonna show y'all the stocking. This one is for Irie, a Minnie Mouse. And I got Jay, a Spider-Man. And I got both of them from Dollar Tree. I just stuck as much as I could fit in there. I got, for Ari, I got a Minnie Mouse puzzle. Candy cane. 2 Christmas books. And she got a mermaid. And I just stuck them in there. For Jay, I got him a truck, a Spider-Man puzzle, a candy cane that came with some stickers, and I got him a dinosaur. And that's pretty much all I got to put up in here, because they don't have much room in the stockings. But everything was $1 at Dollar Tree. So yeah, these the stockings. And they have presents under the Christmas tree. So they just gonna open those on Christmas. And I'll insert a picture on how many Christmas presents they have. But yeah, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And watch my next one.